What's up, everybody? It's Jay here, Market Master SaaS. Going to do a walkthrough on how to social media for farmers. Doing the using the Social Media Master. Audience farmers. Go with formative. Do Facebook. Uh, Generate results. This is going to give us a whole. Well, there we go. That was pretty quick. Ready to boost your farm's visibility and connect with more like-minded individuals? Discover the best tips for social growth tailored just for farmers. It gives you the script or the text part, and then you get the your short form content script right here. Copy this. Let me shoot on over to AI Master Videos. I'm going to go text, paste that in there. Advanced settings. You got a logo, you put your logo in. We'll do scroll stopping. Brian. We'll change the music since it's for farmers. We'll do some country. John Deere Yellow. Change the slides, change your font, all that good stuff. That usually takes about 2-3 minutes. We can check out some of the other stuff here. This is all what you get for like less than a dollar a day for all these apps. I mean, that's a lot of AI tools. Can't beat it, man. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check out MarketMasterSaaS.pro. Less than $1 a day, you get 30 plus apps, all AI apps. Any part of marketing you could possibly think of, you've got a tool to do it. It's pretty sweet. And here's what we got.
Hey farmers, ever wondered how social media can elevate your farming game? In today's digital age, connecting with fellow farmers and agricultural enthusiasts can make a world of difference. From sharing your daily routines to showcasing your harvest, social media platforms offer endless opportunities for growth. By focusing on authentic storytelling and engaging visuals, you can reach a wider audience and significantly grow your network. Want to know more? Swipe up to read our comprehensive guide on harnessing social media for your farm success. Don't miss out. Click the link and start your journey to social growth today.
Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. So that's it. Pretty easy. 2 steps. Social Media Master. Copy, paste. Put it in the master videos. Bam, bam. There you go. Check it out, y'all. Get a free trial. MarketMasterSaaS.pro. Link in the description. Catch you guys on the next one.